Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to be talking about, did TikTok remove the repost feature? Some people on the internet, on Twitter and things like that, have been complaining that if they tap the share button on a TikTok, this feature, the repost button, has now been removed, and this can be confirmed by multiple tweets on Twitter and an article on the internet. Now, when TikTok launched the repost feature, it never was going to be a permanent feature. It was just in the testing phase, and TikTok likes to do this when they test out a feature and then take it away after the test is complete. But since so many people like the repost feature, I assume that it's going to be available once again as time goes on. The time frame for that is unknown, but knowing TikTok, it could be a couple of months. They did this with me with the stories feature. They took it away, as well as the group chat feature. So I just thought I'd make this video to let you guys know that there's nothing wrong with your TikTok if the repost feature has disappeared. All you would need to do is to wait it out and see if they bring it back, and I'll keep you guys up to date. So if this video cleared it up for you, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.